Every day, a lot of changes occur in our surroundings. A piece of ice, when kept in the open, changes to water. When you add sugar to water, it becomes sweet in taste. Similarly, setting of curd from milk is a change. Many changes are taking place around us by their own. In the fields, the crops change from time to time. Sometimes leaves fall from trees, change color, and dry out. The flowers bloom and then wither away. Are any changes happening in your body? Yes, your nails grow, your hair grows, you grow taller, and your weight increases as you grow. Can some of the changes be grouped together? Yes, it might be, if we find some similarities between them.